Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Welcome to all. In the last lesson we have learned about the English alphabet. In that lesson we have learned capital and small letters, their position before and after. Now today we will learn about new lesson, alphabetical order. What is the name of the lesson? Alphabetical order. We all know all letters very well. In this picture, all letters are in particular order, that is known as A, B, C, D or alphabetical order. Let us see the definition of alphabetical order. When we write letters or words in the order of the alphabet, they are said to be alphabetical order. For example, F, A, E, B, C, D are not in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F are in alphabetical order. Look at the first letter of these words. A, apple, B, butterfly, C, cat, D, dog. These words are in alphabetical order. Let us do the exercise. Write these letters in alphabetical order. D, F, C, D, E are not in alphabetical order. Then which letter will come first in alphabetical order? B. After this C, then D, then E, and in the last F will come. B, C, D, E, F means these letters are in alphabetical order. Next, X, Z, V, Y, W are not in alphabetical order. Then which letter will come first in alphabetical order? V, W, after this X, then Y, and in the last Z will come. V, W, X, Y, Z means these letters are in alphabetical order. Let us now look at another list of words with picture. Fish, girl, hat, ice, jug, kite, leaf, moon, net. These words are in alphabetical order. Let us now look at another list of words. Put these words in alphabetical order. Egg, cup and van. These words are not in alphabetical order. We look first letter of each word. Word that begins with letter A come first. Then ant will come first. After this word cup will come because in this list there is no word beginning with letter B. After this egg will come because in this list there is no word beginning with letter D, and in the last van will come. So ant, cup, egg, van are in alphabetical order. In this picture, all the words are beginning with the letter S. Now arrange them in alphabetical order. When two or more words begin with same letter, we sort them by the second letter. So arrange this list of words. We will look at the second letter and arrange them in alphabetical order. Sam, Snehal, Sumit, Sonal, In these names, second letter is A, N, U, O. We put these names according to these letters. So, Sam will come first. Then, next name is Snehal will come. Then Sonal. And in the last, Sumit will come. So, Sam, Snehal, Sonal, Sumit, these names are in alphabetical order. I hope each and everyone have understood about this lesson, alphabetical order. Now, I am going some exercise for practice. Note down it carefully and solve this exercise. Put these words in alphabetical order. Next, put these letters in alphabetical order. Next, put classroom objects in alphabetical order. Then, alphabetical order to the fourth letter. Allah Hafiz.